Camera rolling and action. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making some amazing Oreo truffles. So it's my friend's Arshi's birthday tomorrow, and I thought why not give her some amazing yummy Oreo truffles that she loves, and she loves it what I make at home. So yeah, this is very simple to make, so without wasting any time and without me blabbing all the time, let's get into the video. So before starting off with the other ingredients, let me just tell you that truffles is basically nothing but you add to a certain ingredient, you just add cream to it. So yeah, that is how it comes out to be truffle. When talking about fudges is basically where you add condensed milk to it. So that is the difference between truffles and fudges, and I do know them because I kind of used to make a lot of homemade chocolates. So yeah, starting off with the ingredients that you will be needing is definitely some Oreos. You can opt for any kind of Oreo. You want the simple Oreo, you want the chocolate Oreo, you want the golden Oreo, which I am absolutely loving it. And I think for Oreo truffles, this would be really nice since you're going to add chocolate at the outer layer anyhow. So it will give you that nice chocolatey flavor. And if you're a person who does not like that much of chocolate, like when you're eating a truffle and you do not like it to be very, very chocolatey, so yeah, I think this one will be nice. And also, one amazing thing, you can go for the strawberry flavored Oreo as well if you like the strawberry hint to that Oreo touch in your truffles or something like that. And then after having the Oreos, that is like the main ingredient obviously because it's Oreo truffles. So the next thing is you need a little bit of cream. I have some cream over here. So yeah, okay, I should probably hold it properly. I have some cream over here. So this is the cream that you'll be needing. Then you need some chocolate. That is for later, once you have made the truffles and once your truffles have cooled down and you need to give them an outer layer of chocolate. So that is when you will be needing some chocolate. Need an empty bowl to mix that Oreo truffle thingy. You need a plate with baking paper on it, or you need just a tray. Anything would do. You need some forks. You need some forks for giving that chocolate coating to your truffles, so that is when you will be needing it. So you need these forks and chocolate coating. You need a spatula to mix everything up, and also you really need a food processor. So that is how the ingredients are. So let's just get started with the video again. One thing that you have to remember while this is happening, while the Oreos are being crushed, is that you have to add a little bit of cream. That's when it is being crushed, so that it becomes like a proper batter and it comes out really nice and it is easy to make into balls and stuff like that. So Oreo truffles are ready, and Arshi, if one of your Oreo truffles is missing from your box, that's because probably I waited.